Hello and welcome to another episode of Forerunner, Powering the Edge. I'm your host from the Forerunner Systems team. Today we have an eye-opening discussion about the role of diesel generators in backup power. We'll be diving into fuel risks, maintenance issues, response times, and compliance challenges. And we'll also explore how combining storage, microgrids, and intelligent controls can offer a better alternative to traditional diesel. Stay tuned as we redefine what resilience means for critical infrastructure in 2026. Diesel generators have long been considered the gold standard for backup power. However, it's crucial to realize that depending solely on diesel is no longer viable for achieving true resilience. One of the key concerns is fuel risk. Supply chains can be disrupted, making it hard to get the diesel needed when you most need it. Additionally, diesel fuel quality can deteriorate over time, which can affect the performance of your generators. So, the reliability we often attribute to diesel might be more precarious than we think. Another significant issue is maintenance. Diesel generators require rigorous upkeep to ensure they work when needed. Skimping on maintenance due to budget constraints or oversight can leave your facility vulnerable during a power outage. Regular testing and checkups are essential, but even with those, mechanical failure is always a lurking risk. This means you can't just install a diesel generator and forget about it. It demands ongoing attention and resources. Delayed response times are another challenge. When power goes out, diesel generators need a few moments to kick on. In certain critical settings, even a few seconds of delay can be disastrous. Hospitals, data centers, and other mission-critical operations can't afford these gaps. This is where a combination of storage solutions and faster responding power systems can really shine. Let's not forget compliance. Regulatory requirements around emissions are becoming stricter. Diesel generators emit pollutants that are increasingly falling under the scrutiny of government bodies. Facilities using diesel must juggle operational needs and compliance, which can complicate maintenance schedules and operational tactics. So, if diesel generators pose these risks and complications, what's the alternative? Modern facilities are increasingly turning to a mix of storage, microgrids, and intelligent controls. By integrating battery storage systems, facilities can ensure immediate backup power without the delays associated with diesel. These systems can provide a seamless transition, ensuring that critical operations remain unaffected by outages. Microgrids offer another layer of resilience. These localized grids can operate independently from the main power grid, providing an invaluable fallback during widespread outages. With advanced intelligent controls, both storage and microgrids can be managed in real time to optimize power use, predict failures, and ensure uptime. So what does true resilience look like in 2026? It's a blend of multiple systems working in harmony. Diesel might still have a role, but it won't be the superstar Instead, the focus will be on diversified solutions tailored to specific needs, all managed through intelligent systems ensuring immediate and effective response to any disruption. If you're responsible for critical infrastructure and still relying on diesel as your primary safety net, it's time to rethink and future-proof your strategies. Reducing diesel dependency not only mitigates risks, but also sets you up for better performance and compliance in the years to come. That wraps up today's episode of Forerunner, Powering the Edge. Thanks for joining us in redefining resilience for critical infrastructure. If you found today's discussion helpful, please check the show notes for any links or articles mentioned. Send us a message if you have any questions or thoughts to share. Until next time, this is Forerunner Systems team signing off.